everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. As always, thank you for your support. So I saw the cutest it was a single pocket gatefold piece of ephemera from Sue's Journal Adventures, and it was a single pocket, and I wanted to do my take on it, adding some additional pockets. I will link to Sue's video so you could see. It was just the cutest thing, and you could see the differences in the project. So I made mine more multi pockets. So let's take a look on the inside. Let's open this up. And this is a faux suede cord. So it opens up like this, and then it pulls out into an accordion. So you've got some additional pockets there that you can put things in. And then I also added in a little journaling space. So how did I do this? Let's get started. You'll need, and I've already done some pre-work to keep the video going, so you'll need, for some base pieces, you'll need some cardstock. This is 10.5 by 3 inches, and I have scored at 4 5/8. I've scored again at 9 1/4. Then you will need another piece that is 9 1/4 inches by 3 inches, and I scored this in half at 4 5/8. You'll need another piece, and this one is 8 1/4 by 3 inches, and we're not going to do any scoring to this. What I did was I found the center, and I just drew a little mark there, and you'll see why I did that later. So to build on what Sue did, I want to create something that's an accordion, and it's also has multiple pockets. So on the sheet that was 9 1/4 by 3 inches, you will notch out a pocket, and then on your bigger sheet, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to glue down 3 sides. You're going to glue this side, this side, this side, and glue it right here. And you will line up this edge with this score line here. And don't go right on top of the score line. Go right next to it, because we want to make sure that everything folds the way it should. Okay, so let me glue that down, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so by doing that, I now have formed a pocket. The next thing you'll need some pockets to put on both sides. So I have here some pockets that I've already created, and I've already distressed them, and you will need 6 of these. So the measurements for these are 4.5 by 2.5. So let me get these glued on, and we'll continue moving forward, wrapping up the project. All right, see you soon. Okay, so I have things glued down, and we have a couple of pockets. And I'm just going to set this aside for a moment. So remember the piece that I did the angle cuts to? So I added some whale tails, and I put some grommets in, and I've glued them down. Just have to glue one other side down. Just wanted to show you how I did that, just getting things glued down. Okay, and remember earlier in the video, I marked the center of this, and I've also marked the center of this, because what we're going to do so that we can have an even closure, we're going to align. You see where I put the pencil mark there for the center and the pencil mark here, a light pencil mark. So we need to align that. Okay, so I'm going to lift this up carefully, and this little hinge here. Now you have some options, okay? You can glue down 3 sides here on the other side, obviously, and this would be a tuck spot, or you can glue it down entirely. And then what I'm going to do is just that, and then I'm going to put in a little notepad. Okay, so let me get this started. I don't want to let me just get that started right there, and then I will glue the rest off camera, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have that glued in, and I have my little notepad, and let me give you the measurements for the notepad. So the measurements are 4 inches by slightly under 3 inches. Okay, and I have marked my center with a little pencil. And once again, when I glue things down, I am looking to line up that little pencil mark with this pencil mark, and then I'll get that glued down. Okay. Okay, so that's glued in, and next, let's work on the closure. So now we know everything is even on both sides because we put our little dot there. Okay, so I'm going to pull this over, and I'm going to pull this over on this end, and I'm going to get some cards in here, and we'll wrap it up. Okay. Okay, so here is our finalized version of the little fold out that opens up gatefold style and has an accordion multi-pocket filler. So this can either be a standalone project, or you can glue 3 sides on the back, glue it into your folio or journal, and then that becomes an additional pocket. So there's no need for me to take you on a tour of the whole folio because you've already seen it at the start of the video. Okay, everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.